really doesn't take a lot to edit nowadays. You can pick up a cell phone, and from that point, you're able to create content. All right, we're opening up Inshot.
I'll be importing the footage from my Canon 70D.
I will go to the USB. So this is the internal that comes with the phone. And then with Samsung devices, you can actually add more storage. So I have more storage. And then right now I brought into more storage through that USB that I showed you in the video. I'm going to click onto that, go into my folder, and it's Canon. Scroll down, and I think it's this one. Yep, it's that one. Click it. I'm going to move it to my phone. Not to my external, to the SD that's in my phone. I'm going to take it from there, go and move it to this, and then I'm going to drop it here. Just like that. Let that load in. And that way it's on my phone. All right, bang. So now it's in my phone. Now when I go to Inshot, everything loads instantly, in a sense. You see what I'm saying? Big difference. So I recommend that you upload it to your phone, and that way, you can go from there. But let's go. So now we're inside. We got the footage we're going to use today. This is something that I was working with. Let's see. What do I want to trim? Do I want to trim it first or just let it go? Let's see. It really doesn't take a lot to edit nowadays. You can pick up a cell phone, and from that point, you're able to create content. I use a Samsung Note 10 to create most of my content. Right now I'm using my my Canon 70D, but when I'm done with this, I'm going to transport it onto my Canon and use a program called Inshot to edit. Now you see right there, I made a mistake, and I said and I caught that. This is part of editing. Transport it onto my Canon, and transport it onto my Canon. I meant to say transport it into my Note 10. All right, I'm going to slice it right there. Bang. Onto my Canon. Let me bring it back a little bit. Lick my lip. Slice it, right? And with the Note, I have a pen I'm about to pull out. You guys don't see it, but I'll illustrate that in another video. And it's going to give me the preciseness. See? I'm able to just grab that. Now I'm going to delete that part. Just delete. And now you're not going to hear me say Canon. And use a program. Bring it in a little bit. I'm going to transport it and use a program
it's
called
actually called Inshot, but
my footage.
We're just editing, so I'll let it go.
Let me see something really quick. See if I can throw a transition in there to make that transition a little smoother. So I'm going to come up here and let me see, click the pen. And they have a array of different transitions. Let's go with something basic to see how it goes. When I'm done with this, I'm going to transport it and use a program. When I'm done with this, I'm going to transport it and use a program. When I'm done with this, I'm going to transport it and use a program. When I'm done with this, all right, let's roll with that. So now we added the transition. All right, so we took out the part where I made the error. It happens, blah blah blah. We're in edit mode. Let's go. So now we're moving forward. When I'm done with this, I'm going to transport it and use a program called Inshot to edit my footage. Now it's a pause right there. Do I want to keep that pause? No, I don't. I don't think so. So let's see how long that pause is. Using the Inshot. Let me see. I was thinking for a long time. Footage. So let me clip it right there. Using that. So let's go back a little bit. Let me see. Do I look up? Come on, look up a little bit more. Come on. I'll blink down a little bit. Let me see. Let me see something. Let me see what I'm gonna do. Maybe if I speed it up. Let's clip it right there, and let's speed this part up. Let's see. Go to speed. Using the Inshot footage. Using the Inshot, unfortunately, doesn't let you edit in 4K. Do that split, bang. We splitting that. I still can't think of it. What was the name? I think he said, oh my gosh. I'll put a clip of the video because I'm getting, yeah. So, I love editing now. I love editing the videos. It almost comes natural. I just feel like it's my time. I really think it's my time with this. And unfortunately, I didn't learn everything I needed to learn, but I'm ready to go. It really doesn't take a lot to edit nowadays. You can pick up a cell phone, and from that point, you're able to create content. I use a Samsung Note 10 to create most of my content. Right now I'm using my Canon 70D, but when I'm done with this, I'm going to transport it and use a program called Inshot to edit my footage. Using Inshot, unfortunately, doesn't let you edit in 4K, but they have a lot of great features that they offer. It's not an expensive application or program, but I think a lot of content creators on the go will find a lot of value in this app. I've been shooting videos for a long time. Not a long time, maybe like 5 years, but nothing really serious. I am actually, when I started, I didn't like it. I didn't do it for, I wasn't even into it at all. And then as of recently, I got the Navigator 2, and that kind of inspired me to want to film things. I had the gear, but I was just sitting on it. It was collecting dust. Then we had the pandemic, and I think I got a little bit bored. I didn't have anything to shoot. I started shooting myself. Like literally, I started doing exercise videos and things like that. I needed a subject, something to like film. I felt like I was getting like rusty at it, so I needed to pick it up, and I needed something to shoot. So I just started like filming myself exercising and things like that. Now I have I think I have a passion for it. I really want to take on. I want to do a documentary. Actually, I'm working on something right now. It's about the world famous DJ Supreme. It's a Bronx DJ. He was coming up with Flash in the South Bronx. He was over there by what was the name? I think he said oh my gosh. I'll put a clip in the video because I'm getting, yeah. So I want to take on bigger projects. Yeah, I think I'm ready for the most part to take on bigger projects. I truly want to do this. I have a passion for it. I wake up wanting to do it. I'm at work wanting to do it. I love editing now. I love editing videos. It almost comes natural. I just feel like it's my time. I really think it's my time with this. And unfortunately, I didn't learn everything I needed to learn, but I'm ready to go.